I have here exercise for you guys. So in a real life coding experience, you can work with listed or nested lists like this. So here we have some values which we would like to print out from the students list. So we would like to print out William, it means this name, 98 is here, word math at Sophia, Sophia is here, so the word math, this math, and number 92, it's here. Okay, so you can do it by yourself or you can work with me. It's up to you. So the first, I would like to write William. So you need to be only careful and work slowly. So it means students. It will print out everything, and I need a William. So this is the first list. So but the index is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the William is in number 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2. So I will print 2 and I will check it. Okay, it makes sense. We have a William here. Perfect. So now in this list again we have a list inside. So this list is 0. There is no number 1. Okay, no number 1, 2, and so on. Only 0. Okay, so I will print out 0. Okay, still we have William and we are closer. And now from this list there is 0 and this is number 2. So it depends what you want, and we want William, so 0. So I would write here 0, run it, and we have a William. Okay, perfect. We can be satisfied. So what about 98? It's here. Okay, so I will print students again, and it's 98 is here. So this is 0, this is 1. So I will print out number 1, run it, and you can see 98 is here. So we are on the right path. So again, there is another list in this list, but there is only 1, so it's a 0, right? So I will put here 0, run it. Okay, we have Anna. Anna is 0, and this is number 1. Okay, so I want number 1 because I need 98. Okay, we are closer. This is one list, and this is 0, and this is 1. So what do I want? I want 0, right? So again, I will write 0. And we have 98. Perfect. So here, word math at Sophie. It means this math. Okay? So again, print students. I hope you are not confused, guys. So what the index is it? First, so it means 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's number 3, right? Print it. Okay, we have Sophia here. Perfect. So now there are again number 0 because there is only one list. Okay, it's not this list, comma, another list, and so on. So is this list? So again, it's number 0. You can see that the number of brackets is lower. There are 2 brackets. Now it's only 1. Perfect. Now we would like to this or this. So Sophia is 0 and this list is number 1. So we need number 1, right? Run it. Okay, we are closer. So now what I want? This 0 or this number 1? Number 1, because I want the word math. Run it. Okay, we are closer, and this is 0, and this is 1. So it's 0, right? Run it. Okay, math. Perfect. And now we need 92. Where is 92? So it's here. Okay, so again 0, 1, and this 92. So print students 0. Okay, I will run it. Okay, sorry guys, 90, no, not 0, 92. So it's first. Oh, my mistake. It's number 1. Okay, and we need this 92. Okay, we are on the right way already. So here again, it's a list, but there is only one item. It's this big list. So again, it's a 0. Run it. Okay. We need 92. So this is 0, and this is first or number 1. So again, I want number 1. Perfect. This is 0. This is number 1. So I need number 1. Great. And this is 0, and this is number 1. So again, I need number 1. Okay, and we have 92. Perfect. So I hope you understand the point. So you just need to be very careful and do it step by step. And I hope, guys, that you enjoy it. And I hope that you were successful.